guys, this is Ernest Casina Camp, and today I'm going to show you how to update and clean your YouTube channel. You have to remove all those moderator when you were having a live streaming. So let's start it. Here you go guys, so we are here now in my YouTube studio. So in the left side you see the setting here, just click that, and then the next thing you do is to look for the community. So click that community there. So as you can see in this part here, there's some people here, and then in the top there's the blue colored it says automated filters. So it's these names are already belong here. So what you can do guys, there's a big X here, then you can click that and it will clean up everything, so there's no more moderators. So that's the one step that you're going to clean up your channel as to update. And then if you have some hidden users, so for example this one here, so from moderators to approved users and then hidden users, if there's some channel that is written here, all you have to do still is just to click the X here. But since I don't have anything, so we're good to go, and that's all. And just make sure you save, and voila, everything is cleared and updated. That's all for today guys. Hope that you learn a little bit information how to remove all the moderators in your channel. Thank you, and until next time, bye.